So Throdle, I spotted this gorgeous Ford Galaxie, and if you haven't seen it, we've done another one, but this one really caught my eye.
Hi, my name is Alex. This is my 1964 Ford Galaxie.
So did you do a lot of the work yourself?
I did all the work myself. When I got the car in Fullerton, the motor was blown, it had a hole in the number 6 piston.
Yeah.
Transmission was bad, all this engine compartment was bad. The only thing that I got off of it was the paint and interior. 3 years later, here we are.
3 years, that is some beautiful project car there.
Thank you so much.
What's it pulling in terms of horses?
You know, we're only looking at probably like 265. I haven't put a cam in it. It's mostly all original. The only thing original that's not on it is the intake.
Oh,
the original intake was like 90 pounds. This thing's like 30, and it just
Okay.
breathes a lot better.
All right, so you do actually drive it out, which is kind of nice.
All the time, yeah.
So many people just keep it inside their garage and they never take it out, and these things are meant to be driven, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
So one of the things that caught my eye was your white wall tire.
Yeah, those were hard to get. Those were Croker, 3 1/4 inch white wall, 14 inch steelies. Those are the original steelies to the car, and I just decorated all of them. I didn't want to put rims on it, or I wanted to keep it mostly original, but still add my own touch to it.
Absolutely, and speaking of touches, moving over here, I see a beautiful money bag in the back.
Yeah.
Well, I guess these things do cost a lot, especially to keep them up and running.
They do.
But what about to my right? Did you do any of this stuff?
This one right here had a slant 6, and the guy blew it up. He never changed the oil.
Yeah, okay.
So that 318 came out of a 78 van, but it wasn't in the van, it was actually in the back of the van, like just thrown there.
Oh, okay.
So I pulled it, went through the whole motor, painted everything, did all the engine compartment. I put a 727 transmission. We put cutoffs on a switch, electric switch, so it sounds really aggressive. We're still working on it, but here he is too.
Demon dog.
Yeah, this is an original 71 Demon. We ran the numbers. It did come originally with a slant 6, but the guy wants, he wanted more power, so we put a 318. It's not a powerhouse, but this is just a start. And the kid, he's only like 19. So.
19, and he's got one of these. Wow, I wish I was that cool back then.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Then we've done this one too. This has a slant 6. This is the same motor that came in the Dodge Demon. This one was completely stock. We did a lot of tuning to get it to go to get it to run where it runs now. We did a 2-inch drop all the way around, painted the steelies, put a little bit of chrome on it, and this is where it sits right here.
Well, it's really nice to see your squad here, that's for sure.
Very cool. Yeah, no, I'm very proud, and there's a lot more cars out there that I've done, and they're still on the road.